In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change email in Figma. Changing your email address in Figma is a straightforward process, but it's crucial to know exactly where to navigate to ensure a smooth transition. Your email address is a fundamental part of your account identity, and updating it ensures you maintain access and receive important communications from Figma to the correct inbox. We'll walk through each step together, making sure you understand not just what to click, but also why these actions are necessary for managing your account effectively. First things first, once you're logged into your Figma account and viewing your files or a design canvas, you'll need to locate your profile icon. This is typically situated in the upper left-hand corner of your Figma interface. It often appears as your initial or a profile picture you've uploaded, serving as a direct link to your personal account options. Go ahead and give that a click. This action will open a drop-down menu, revealing various options related to your account, recent files, and general settings within Figma. This menu is your gateway to managing your personal information and various preferences for your user experience. Once that drop-down menu appears, look for the option that clearly says Settings. It should be readily visible among the list of choices, often near the bottom of the drop-down. Clicking Settings will navigate you away from your current design files and take you to your personal account management page. This page is where you can adjust various aspects of your Figma profile, from notification preferences and connected apps to billing information, and most importantly for today, your email address. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this section, as it's a central hub for personalizing and securing your Figma experience. Now that you're on the Settings page, you'll typically see several categories or sections laid out, such as Account, Profile, or Notifications. We're specifically looking for the option to modify your email address. Scan through the available settings, and you should find a clear link or button labeled Change Email. This is usually located within a section dedicated to your general account details or personal information, as it pertains directly to your login credentials. Click on Change Email. At this point, Figma will typically prompt you to enter your new desired email address. It's very important to type this new email address accurately and double-check for any typos before proceeding.